How to make your own candles. Wax, such as soy wax, beeswax, or paraffin wax. Container or mold. Fragrance oils or essential oils, optional. Dye, optional. Double boiler or heat-safe container and pot. Thermometer. Stirring utensil, such as a wooden spoon. Prepare your work area. Cover your work surface with newspaper or a disposable tablecloth to protect it from spills. Prepare your container or mold. If you're using a container, clean it thoroughly and ensure it's dry. If you're using a mold, you may need to grease it lightly with cooking spray to help release the candle later. Prepare the wick. Cut your wick to the desired length, leaving a few inches extra to accommodate the container's depth. If you're using a container, you can secure the wick in place using a wick holder or by dipping it in melted wax and sticking it to the bottom of the container. Melt the wax. Use a double boiler or heat-safe container placed in a pot of water to create a makeshift double boiler. Place your wax in the double boiler and heat it gently over medium heat until it's completely melted. Use a thermometer to monitor the temperature, and make sure it doesn't exceed the wax's recommended melting point. Add fragrance and color, optional. If you want scented or colored candles, add fragrance oils or essential oils and dye to the melted wax, stirring gently until everything is well combined. Be cautious with the amount of fragrance or dye you add, as too much can affect the candle's performance. Pour the wax. Once the wax is melted and any additives are incorporated, carefully pour it into your prepared container or mold. Hold the wick in place to keep it centered as you pour. Let it set. Allow the candle to cool and harden completely. This can take several hours, depending on the size of the candle and the type of wax used. Trim the wick. Once the candle has cooled and hardened, trim the wick to about 1/4 inch above the surface of the wax. This helps prevent smoking and ensures a clean, even burn. Enjoy your candle. Once the wick is trimmed, your candle is ready to use. Light it and enjoy the warm glow and comforting ambience it provides. Thank you for watching.